So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to search for NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on it. You want to install this. Once you've installed that, for the next step, you want to go to search and type in NVIDIA Control Panel. Click on it. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, under display, you want to select change resolution. And now once we're here, you want to select your correct monitor. Now you want to change your resolution to your stretch resolution that you want. So now you want to click on customize. Now once this comes up, you want to select enable resolutions not exposed by the display. Now you want to select create custom resolution. And then click on accept. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to set the stretch resolution that you want. Let's say for example I want to play some Fortnite and I want my resolution to be 1680 by 1080. I'm going to change my horizontal pixels to 1680 and I'm going to keep my vertical on 1080. So you just want to set your stretch resolution that you want. And now you want to set your refresh rate. For me I play on 144 Hz, so I'm going to make this 144. And now you want to click on test. Your screen might go black. And now once this comes up, you want to click on yes. Your screen might go black again. And now once that's been done, your stretch resolution should be appearing right here. You want to tick the box and then click on OK. And you should now be seeing your stretch resolution under custom. So if you click on it, and then click on apply, and then click on yes. You might be getting black bars. If you are, then on the left hand side, you want to select adjust desktop size and position. And now you want to select full screen, and then click on apply, and then click on yes. This will fix the black bar problem if you're getting that. For the next step, you want to go into your game files and you want to set it so that your game launches with that resolution. This will depend on the game that you want to play. You're going to have to research this yourself. But maybe some games on Steam, such as like CSGO or something, you might need to go into the launch options and then type in your resolution here. But you need to find the exact command for that. For a game like Fortnite, you want to go into the game files and you can then change your resolution from here. So for the Fortnite game files, I'll just change the resolution right here, and then I'll save it, and then I would launch Fortnite, and then I'll have stretch resolution. Again, it depends on the game that you want to play.